Okay, well today is day 14. And what we did day 13 was prep everything for spraying. And on day 14, we textured everything. So if you look around, you will see we have textured all over the place. And so it really doesn't look like we've done a lot in the last 14 days. I mean, if I look around, this house is still a bit of a wreck. But you'd be surprised that we are getting there a lot better than what it really looks when you look at this video, because it still looks rather messed up. I mean, it's still very dirty, still a lot of junk everywhere. But this was a big moment because we're getting very close to where we can turn over the interior to the painters. And so the next 2 days, we are getting trim installed. Missing door jamb, like here, the door jamb that's missing here. All that door jamb that's missing, the shelving that's missing. All of that little stuff, the trim and stuff will be done in the next couple days. All this baseboard that's missing. So all of this doesn't look like we've gotten very far, but the fact is we're almost ready for paint. We may have a few more days next week before we can give it over to the painters, because it's going to take a day to get the crew in here to clean this place. We generally try to clean everything before the painters come in. We just find that if the dust is out, it doesn't get into the paint, it doesn't make a mess. As you see, we textured all of that. Textured there. Textured in this closet, it's hard to tell, but we did texture in this closet. This shower was a big texture job above this shower area. So, but anyways, all of that is done. So we are well on our way to getting it painted. Once the painting's done, it's downhill. Once the painters are out of here, we come back in here and we put all the vents back up, the lights, the light plates, do the final light fixtures, which really doesn't, doorknobs, door stops, which really doesn't take that long. And this house will then be turned over to the flooring guys. As you see here, that's the lumber that was delivered for the trim. And there's our door. That was actually delivered a lot sooner than I thought. So that door is what is going here. As I explained, we had the lumber company match it directly to what was hanging there. So all you gotta do is put the hinges back on and it should fit perfectly. But that's it for today. So today we're gonna be doing trim, today and tomorrow. And we'll follow up with another video showing the next phase.